A dental implant is a titanium screw that we insert into a patient's jaw, and then we're able to replace teeth with that. So as opposed to the traditional way of grinding down natural teeth and putting on a bridge or wearing a removable device like a flipper or a partial, we can replace teeth in a more natural, functional, and long-term sturdy and dependable way. Dental implants have a lot of advantages over other treatment options in the fact that they preserve the natural biology, they preserve bone, they preserve the gum tissue, they don't damage the surrounding areas. They allow us to replace teeth in a more natural, functional way. They are the most dependable, sturdy, and long-lasting type of dentistry that we have available now. People that might be dealing with issues that can be solved with dental implants might be someone with a root canal that's failing and the tooth can no longer be saved. It might be someone who's missing one tooth or multiple teeth. It might be someone who's willing to fix their smile or fix the function of their bite. So dental implants can serve a lot of people in a lot of different ways. What we like to do is bring people in, evaluate them, figure out the exact solution that works for them, and figure out a dental implant system that is going to fix their needs.